Decided to start taking some of the stuff to, some of the parts to the bungalow. And for a couple reasons. First of all, it's a decent day out, a little bit of rain, but I'll wrap everything in a towel when I carry it out and put it in the back seat. See how it's all oiled. Looks great. So I'd like to get most of it out of here because if I start cutting, it'll get dusty, and that way it can be in that location. The main part, I need to get Lucas to help me flip it up, and then we have to drill some holes, and then there's some other stuff to do to the main part, to the playing surface. Not much, but it'll take a little time. So time to start moving the pieces. It's exciting. I'm looking forward to putting it all together, and it should fit and it should look awesome. See how the colors just jump out after you oil them. All different types of eastern hardwoods. Northeastern, I should say.